G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, here's a quick tip, another useful bit of information I hope. It's to do with fishing and camping. And over the years I've done a lot of camping and I've done a hell of a lot of beach fishing, particularly nighttime fishing in winter for salmon and stuff like that. And one of the essential items you've got to have for camping and definitely for beach fishing is you've got to have a good light, or a light that is weatherproof. And you just can't beat these old kerosene lanterns. Now, people go, oh, they're old hat, who'd want a kerosene lantern? They hardly throw out enough light to see anything. Okay. But they're totally weatherproof. They're water resistant if it can use it in the rain. And the beauty of them is too that in cold weather, you can warm your hands on them. You can warm your fingers. You can get your feeling back. You can't do that with an LED light or a battery light. Useless. You've got to have a hand warmer. So these old girls are worth their weight in gold, I reckon. Now this one, made in China, this one would be 50 years old. It's my original and ever faithful old kerosene lantern. Now, okay, well that's all well and good, but the one downside is they don't put out a lot of light. I'll admit that. But there's a hack, there's a good trick. And I've learnt this years ago. I can't even remember who told me it or showed it to me. And I looked on the internet to see if anybody else had put up videos on it or anything. There's really no mention of it. But it's so simple. And it will give you 50% more light in one direction. See, the trouble with these is, like a lot of these lights, is they're 360-degree illumination. But you don't want that. When you're beach fishing, the last thing you want is 360-degree illumination or a beam light, like a torch. You want something that isn't going to shine out towards the ocean because fish get spooked, definitely. And the last thing you want is people with torches and that on the beach. So you want a soft light like this, and if it's got no light going towards the ocean, that's the good thing. So here's the hack. Here's the hack. Watch closely. Turning. Turning. And what is it? It's a bit of aluminium from an old pie plate. Or you could use alfoil, anything like that. It's basically just a reflector and a shield. So what you do is you just slide it down between the glass and the wire cage, and bingo, all the light that would be going that way is now going this way. You might lose a little bit, but basically, instead of having half the light going this way, you now got 90% probably, and it definitely makes a big difference. It's a simple trick, but as I said, I couldn't see any information on it. When I looked, I thought, surely, But everybody's wound up in electronics these days, and you've got to have the latest LED lights and all that. Forget it. With these, all I used to do, because I don't do much beach fishing these days, I'm getting a bit old for it. But I used to just, you're on the beach, you just dig a bit of a hole, put the lantern down in the hole, and then you can just got enough light to bait up your hooks and, do what you need to do. And it's got a useful distance out to about here, I suppose. And it's a great hand warmer, as I said. In winter you've got to have a hand warmer, or those fingers will drop off. But how well does it work? I'll light it up and show you. So there you have it. Works pretty good, doesn't it? What more could you want? And a hand warmer to boot. Alright, so that's how you do it. As you can see, it stops the light coming out the back and bounces it all out the front. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Cheers.